Evening Swapper Shoppers. So I fancied chicken fajitas, but quite often they're expensive to make with lots of different ingredients, guac, sour cream, salsa. So I've made you a cheap and simple recipe, one pot chicken fajita tray bake with only a few ingredients and a relatively low budget. Let's get cooking.
Right guys, so as Eliana said, we really fancied a tray bake. So we've got a cheap fajita seasoning. This was the cheapest one we can find. It was 70p from Tesco. I know it says it's for air fry, but you don't have to actually put it in the air fryer. The normal ones are about 95p. We've got one onion. You only need a small onion. That's 11p. 2 chicken breasts worth of chicken, 320 grams, about £2.40. We've got 1 lime, which seems to have disappeared, which we will find. That is 24p. 1 pack of mini tortillas, which was £1. And then we've got sour cream, which was £1.50. You can actually buy the fresh version, which was about 85p, but it's about half the amount. So if you're just having it for one meal, you could have that. And a single red pepper, which was 69p. So I'm going to get Elle to find that lime, and then let's get chopping up.
So I've chopped all of the ingredients and I'm now going to add them all together. So we've got the peppers and the onion. And the finely sliced chicken, all in that bowl. Sorry. Then we add a bit of olive oil. Has to be Cypriot Greek olive oil for me.
Yeah, it doesn't. You can have any oil, but this is the best oil, of course.
Then you mix it all together. And then if my trusty assistant Adam could open the packet of the seasoning. Toss that in there.
Get it all nice and mixed up. It's smelling
Evenly
good.
coated. It does smell like proper smoky fajitas. Once that's all mixed up, we're going to pour it out onto this tray.
Now you don't need any extra oil because you've got oil within the mixture, which is perfect. This is going in an oven which is 200-degree fan for between 25 and 30 minutes. And we'll show you at the end of the cooking process, of course, but just make sure it's evenly spread out as Eliana is doing, of course.
And how much is this going to cost, Adam?
This is £6.64. So remember, this includes the pepper, the onion, the chicken, the seasoning, the sour cream, the wraps, and of course your lime, which you'll add at the very end, and we'll show you that part of the process as well. This is like a great family meal. We are doing this for a portion for 2 people, but of course you could add extra. So it's about £3.30 per portion, of course. So let's get this straight into the oven.
Right, so that's all evenly spread out. Let's get it whacked in the oven.
Oh, that looks so good.
I wish there was smell-o-vision for you viewers.
Right, straight into the oven. I'd say middle tray. Don't need to worry about turning it. We'll check back in 25 minutes. And also, the benefit, viewers, of doing this is you don't actually need as many bowls as we've used. Really, you just need one bowl to mix it all in. We've separated it out so that you can see the individual ingredients. But who needs all that washing up, really, especially if you've got a busy lifestyle? So we've put it in the oven, and we'll see you in a few minutes. Oh, that's looking so good.
It smells so nice. And it's all nicely charred like it's been done on a barbecue.
Oh, it does actually look quite barbecued. Now, some people call that burnt, but I disagree. So Elle is going to kindly get it onto a bowl, and then we're going to dish one up and show you.
Right, now that's all dished up, let's squeeze the lime over. Or as Adam calls it, a lemon.
Yeah, I always get confused. Yeah, I'll do this one for you, look, as well.
Thank you.
Oh, smells really good. This is just to infuse a bit more of the lemon flavour in it. Lime.
You keep making that mistake.
Viewers, don't be putting lemon in this dish. I don't think it'll work as well. Right, so I've got a tortilla. So Elle, I'm just going to put a bit of sour cream on first. There we go. Right, pop the chicken on. Oh, it does smell really, really good.
Smells nicely charred.
A little bit more than that. I'm hungry. So this is quite a low-calorie one, I think, as well. I don't know the exact calories because we're not calorie counting, but to me, this is much better rather than having loads of guac and loads of salsa. Right, viewers, so that is the easy tray bake chicken fajitas. Elle, let's see if it was worth the wait. It smells so good. Is it nice? Oh. That is amazing. The chicken is so succulent.
It's not dried out at all, which sometimes when you cook it on a hob, does dry
It
out
really
the
dries
chicken.
out. And I can taste the chariness. Chariness? That's not a word. Charness. I can taste the chariness, viewers.
The charredness.
Charness, is that a word?
I don't know, well, I just made it up if it's not.
It's a word now. If you want to see the full recipe and further information and some more photos of this, then please check out the website swappershoppers.co.uk. But until the next videos, folks, ciao for now.